My name is Catherine Jones and I'm doing a Royal Academy of Culinary Arts Level 3 apprenticeship.
I think I enjoy working on the job the most, working as part of a big team, and everyone sort of matches your energy and everyone's happy to be there.
The benefits is that you learn while working, so it's more engaging and you're more into it.
Having to work in a really busy environment like that, you have to communicate with absolutely everybody. If you're not communicating with allergies and stuff, it can mess up the whole kitchen. Someone could end up in a hospital, so it's extremely important to be able to communicate with your whole team.
The reason I chose to do the apprenticeship is helps me work on my on-the-job skills and learn a bit more about the business side of restaurants.
So the support I've received from University College Birmingham has been a lot of personal and work related as well, and they have supported me through a lot, and it has been very helpful and helped me get through challenges which I didn't expect to have, so they've been great.